Are you all excited? Excited to meet your new class teacher, new subjects, and your new friends. But I can see few unhappy faces. Again back to school. मुझे नहीं जाना. Who are they? Raise your hands. No one? Very good. So before coming to school, there are some rules we need to follow. So here we go. Good morning, class.
Good morning, madam.
Please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so today I will take the introduction of every student. How are you, Chitra?
I'm not feeling well, ma'am.
What happened?
I am suffering from cold. Achoo!
What you have done?
What, ma'am? I have just wiped my nose.
But before it, have you used your handkerchief?
No, ma'am. I don't have it.
This is very wrong. Always use a handkerchief while sneezing.
Okay, ma'am. From today, I'm going to use my handkerchiefs. Achoo!
Very good. This is very good. Take 2. Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'm your new maths teacher. So today I will teach you about numbers. Please take out your pencil box and your copies. What is this? Why you are making noise, Chitra?
I was borrowing pencil from my friends.
Why? Have you not brought your pencil box?
No, ma'am.
This is very wrong habit. Have you checked your bag before coming back to school?
No, ma'am. I haven't checked it.
Then that is why you are borrowing pencil. Always check your pencil box and your timetable before coming to school.
Okay, ma'am. From today, I'm going to check my stationery as well as my timetable before coming to school.
Very good. Excellent. Take 3.
Yay! It's a lunch period. I have bought chocolates for my lunch. Let's enjoy.
Chocolates.
Yes, I'm gonna have this.
Yummy.
Not going to give you.
Oh, Chitra, what you have done?
I have just finished my chocolate, ma'am.
But what you have done? You have thrown the garbage on the floor.
Then,
This is very wrong habit. Always use a dustbin.
okay, ma'am. From today, I'm going to use this dustbin to throw my garbage.
Very good. This is very good. Now,
Hey, you old woman, just stay away from this place. Just get straight away.
Chitra, this is very wrong behavior. To this old lady, always respect your elders and as well as your youngers.
Okay, sorry. From today, I'm going to respect my elder as well as love my younger.
Very good. Very nice of you, Chitra. Now take 5. Chitra,
Yes, ma'am.
when national anthem was playing, what you were doing? You were not paying attention and repeating national anthem. This is very bad. Always respect your national flag and your national anthem. Pay attention while national anthem is playing.
Okay, ma'am. From today, I'm going to respect my national flag as well as my nation.
Jai Hind!